Dear students, welcome back to my class on cash flow statement. In our previous class, we have discussed about how to prepare cash flow statements, various methods of preparation of cash flow statements, and today in this class we will discuss about the uses and limitations of cash flow statement, how cash flow statement is used in the business organizations. Uses or importance or advantages of cash flow statements. First one is it helps for short-term cash planning. It is very important to the financial management, that is a cash flow statement. Cash flow is an essential tool of financial analysis for short-term planning. Excess of cash must be temporarily invested in short-term securities. Cash flow statement provides information as and when there would be excessive cash. Dear students, cash flow statement will tell the management whether there is a sufficient cash is there in the organization or not, and if there is a excess cash, the organization may invest that in short-term securities, and on the contrary, when there is a cash deficiency, either short-term investment should be disposed of or short-term credit may be arranged. ಮತ್ತೆ organization ಅಲ್ಲಿ short-term cash ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ control of cash. Cash flow statement helps in exercising better control over the use of cash by providing necessary information about the past behavior of cash cycle. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cash position of a firm. Cash flow statement explains the factors causing deficiency or surplus in cash position. Some situations where cash is more than what is required, that is excess even though the profit is too low, or where the cash is deficient, that is less than the what is needed in spite of huge profit earned. Cash flow statement will help to evaluate the cash position. In certain cases, what will happen if although there is a huge profit, there is nothing in the hands of the management as a cash to spend for its operating activities. And even though there is in some cases what will happen, even though there is a loss, there will be a huge amount of cash in the hands of the management to spend for day-to-day activities, and cash flow statement will explain the reasons for that one. Then next one is it helps for formulating the policies. Cash flow statement helps in arranging the required amount of cash for repaying loan or for redemption of debentures or preference shares or purchase of assets, etc. Cash flow statement ನಮಗೆ required amount ಅನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ for example if there is a due, that is we have to repay the redemption, repay the amount of debentures or preference shares or purchase of assets, we may plan well before. Then next one is it helps outsiders like investors, debenture holders, bankers, creditors, etc. to analyze the financial position of the enterprise by cash flow analysis. Such analysis helps them to decide whether to invest in or not to invest in a particular entity. Cash flow, by seeing the cash flow statements, the outsiders will think or will decide to invest or not to invest in our business organization. The next one is it helps to maintain proper cash flows in the business. That is because as per AS3, cash flows activities are divided into three activities. As you have already know, cash flows from investing activities, cash flow from operating activities, and cash flow from financing activities. This helps the management how to maintain optimum cash flows in the business organization. Then next one is it explains better the causes for poor cash position in spite of a substantial profit. As I have already told you, we have the firm has made a good profits, but there is nothing in the hands of the firm to spend for its expenses. By throwing light on various applications of cash made by the firm. What is the reason? Firm has applied that cash. Even though there is a huge cash, there is huge profit, there is nothing, there is no cash in the hands of management, means where the management has applied that cash. The cash flow statement will say that one. The next, if there is a loss, how management has a that much of cash, it will also show the cause, that is a cash flow statement will explain the reasons. If there is a, even though there is a huge loss, how management has a cash in its hands. These are the uses or importance of cash flow statement. Then next we will see the difficulties or limitations of cash flow statement. First one, we may see that it is difficult to define precisely the term cash because there are controversies over number of items like checks, stamps, postal orders, etc. to be included in cash. Whether to take only hard cash or cash in hand, or we have to take checks, stamps, postal orders, etc. Then next one is a cash flow statement does not indicate actual liquidity position, that is a cash position of a business organization. It can be manipulated. Its liquidity position at the end of the period by postponing the purchase and other payment, and this manipulation is not revealed by cash flow statement. Management may manipulate the cash transactions at the end of the year to show the better position, and cash flow statement will not show that one. Management by postponing the purchase or other payment of cash, it will show better position of cash of its business organization. The next one is a cash flow statement is only a supplementary supplementary document or supplementary statement. It cannot replace balance sheet, income statement, that is profit and loss account, and fund flow statement and other financial statement. Each of these statement is has a separate functions to perform. So cash flow statement can only be a supplement. It is not a main document and it will not replace the other documents. The next one is a fund flow statement presents more complete picture than a cash flow statement. Working capital. Fund flow statement will represent changes in the working capital, which is a wider concept. Fund is a wider concept than cash. A fund flow statement presents a more complete picture than a cash flow statement. Cash is a just one item of a current assets, which we will take in a fund flow statement. Fund is a more broader concept than cash. Fund includes cash. So these are the limitations of cash flow statement. For your reference, you may refer Management Accounting by S.P. Gupta and K.L. Gupta, Cost and Management Accounting by Ravi M. Kishore, G.B. Badigar, Principles of Management Accounting, Ashok Prakash and Hubli, M.Y. Khan and P.K. Jain, Management Accounting, Tata, McGraw-Hill, Publications New Delhi, I.M. Pandey, Management Accounting, Vikas Publishing House Private Limited, New Delhi. Thank you for watching the video.